802
Nice.
Yeah, that's a 66.
It's the same one I've caught before, but it just goes up and down all the time.
Nah, probably not. Okay, well over there's a freight train. The previous train, the 802, was 802 just saying. So over here's a freight train operated by a DB Cargo Class 66.
DBS.
Schenker? I don't know, I think it's German anyway, so. So yeah, it's only holding 3 wagons though, so I don't get what's the point in that. But it's running from Bungalow to Exeter Riverside.
Right, it's come from St Blasey actually.
Okay then, St Blasey to Exeter Riverside. Yeah, it's stopped for sure. Oh no, because it's the blooming Plymouth trains coming first. Oh, what? We got scammed. We got big time cheated by GWR there. That is 43158, I think. That's why it stopped. That explains it all. 156 on the rear. So yeah, so after this we'll be seeing the 66 come through. But until then, we just get to watch a HST slowly crawl across the bridge. So this is why the other train had to wait, because you can only fit 1 train on the bridge, as you can see.
Is it
156.
156?
Both types of sprinters.
Nearly consecutive.
Nearly. I don't think there's a 43157. Oh my god, why did I choose to put my elbow on a rolly thing? Look at it. So you'll probably find...
This train was due to come from Parkendillock, but it got cancelled between Parkendillock and St Blasey.
There we go. So the train, if you didn't hear that, the train was due... the train was due to come down... The freight was due to come down from Parkendillock. But due to waiting for passenger traffic, allegedly, according to real-time trains, it's... had to start from St Blasey. So, anyway, yeah, I'll update you when the freight comes along in a second. Okay, now the HST is left. Here comes the DB Schenker Class 66. The most stupid freight, as it's only hauling 3 coaches, trailer things, as look, you can see. Very short freight train. So you can't see it through the pillars at the minute, so I'll just zoom out and give you a nice view of the lovely sunset we are experiencing currently in Plymouth at the minute. Very picturesque. Why am I zooming in on the orange sky? I'm bored, that's why. Right, okay, anyway, back to the frieght. This is probably the most weirdest train video you've ever seen. Why am I commentating so much? I need to shut up. I really do need to shut up, that's fine. 66, ooh. I could definitely read that from 66009. Yeah, 66009 on this one.
66009.
Not 68.
Way to Exeter Riverside from St Blasey.
Yeah, so this is going to Exeter Riverside from St Blasey. After being... Yes. Why are we doing that? And we have a backfiring motorcycle on the bridge. I think this is a China train, China clay. There you go. Departing over there is a Great Western Railway 158 heading from Penzance to Plymouth. I do believe. I do. Yes, let's go into Plymouth. Not sure what type of 158 it is, but it's currently going through the pillars, of which I cannot record through. So I'm just gonna give you guys a bit of a sunset update. The sun has disappeared and the sky is orange. There we go. That's the forecast.
Boat on the river.
Oh yes.
It's quite still down there actually, look at those rivers.
It is, yeah. Sorry about the camera there. I was just putting my phone in my pocket, but I'm back. And it's 158767.
158767.
Yep.
Penzance to Plymouth.
Yep.
Just departed Saltash.
Yep. Good news, guys, also the leak has stopped, so there you go. There's no more water going everywhere. So isn't that fun? Oh, hello. Okay, coming through now, we have another Castle Class HST, this time from from Cardiff Central to Penzance. 43171. 171 or 177. And 43016. So either 171 or 177. Or 170. I think it was 171 though. So that one's going from Cardiff Central to Penzance, calling now at Saltash, St Germans, Lisgard, Bobbin Parkway, Lostwithiel, passing Ulstall, Truro, Redreath, Camborne, Hale, St Earth and Penzance. You were recording that? Surely it was way too dark.
43177 and 43
1016.
016.
Lovely view, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Especially the sunset.
It's been a good sunset today. sure it's going to be too dark for that.
No. Is that a 3? Is that a 2+3? That is a 2+3. Sion's train videos. I noticed this time.
There's only 3 carriages.
Sion's train videos, I've seen it this time. I'm insane.
That sound like the train horn.
No, that was a squeak. Anyway, so this will be the final train of this video from from the Royal Albert Bridge. So thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'm trying to get to 100 subs before. Let's say before the end of this year. I think it's a reasonable time. But yeah, see you in the next video, guys. And every sub is greatly appreciated. So please drop a sub if you do like my content. But yeah, see you guys in the next video, whenever that will be. Goodbye, guys. Okay, coming through now, we have another train. This time, I think it's the 1700 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth from Penzance, which is another HST. 1458. But
1658.
so the last clip wasn't actually the last clip of the video. We thought it was, and then there's another one coming. So this will be the actual last clip of the video, and then we will genuinely go, because it's like 5 o'clock. It's freezing. It's dark. I want to go home. Oh my god, a seagull just photobombed my shop. That's depressing, but that shows you live in the southwest, really. Oh, my hands are honestly freezing. So that's why the camera work might be a little bit shaky. I am trying to keep it as steady as possible. There's no way I'll be able to get the numbers for this. $43,094. There's a light in the engine thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one's a 4 car. Can someone let me know? Question of the video, right here, I'm calling it. Can someone let me know why some of the Castle Class is a 3 car, not 4 car? And 43,192 on there. Yeah. So this time, thank you actually very much for watching this video from the Royal Albert Bridge. Please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments, as I will get back to them. And yeah, every sub is greatly appreciated. And we are on the road to 100 subscribers. So yes, please do subscribe if you do like my content. And anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be another bridge video, because with lockdown and stuff I can't really go anywhere. So yeah, goodbye guys, and see you in the next video.